Hey, 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 boys and girls, here we are, lesson 105A. I hope you're ready to rock and roll. Get out your ruler. And today we are drawing a 7 centimeter line segment. So line it up, find the 7, draw your line, and write your name. Here we go. I am measuring the date and I came up with 6. All right, moving on. Number 1. Leah said that whenever she adds 2 odd numbers, the answer is always an even number. Add 3 pairs of odd numbers to see if she is right. Well, first of all, I think we better write down our odd numbers. I'm going to write them down up here. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. We can just use those for right now. I'm going to start with the first 2 numbers, 1 and 3. Well, if I add 1 plus 3, I get 4. And what do you know? E for even. All right, now I'm going to take 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. And we have another even number. All right, my last one I'm going to pick is 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. And once again, that is an E for even. So you can go ahead and experiment with that on your own. Show how 2 children will share the markers equally. I have 13, so I have to count 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here's my 13. So 1/2 of 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have a remainder of 1. You can't forget that remainder. Now I'm going to do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1/2 of 8. Well, I know 8 is an even number, so I know I can think of my doubles facts. And I know that 1/2 of 8 is 4 with no extras. All right, the time. I have, says show 8:25 on the clocks. All right, well, 8:25. 8. So I'm going to use my shorthand first to show 8 o'clock. And 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. My minute hand is going to be to the 5. All right, we'll come back to the clock in a minute. 73, we want to round each number to the nearest 10. So 73, the 2 tens are 70 and 80. The 3 says to say the same at 70. 59, the 2 tens are 50 and 60. The 9 tells me to go up. So my answer is 60. 18, my 2 tens are 10 and 20. And the 8 tells me to move or to round up to 20. 35, my 2 tens are 30 and 40. And 5 always rounds up to the next number, which is 40. All right, it says measure and label each side of the square around the clock. What is the perimeter of the square? All right, I need to make sure that I am in centimeters again. Lining it up, and I'm going to say 5. So down here is 5. I'm going to turn my ruler, and I have another 5. I bet you don't know what's going to be on the other side. 5. All right, so now we have to write our number sentence. If you want, you can write out all the 5s, or you could have gone 10 plus 10. Doesn't matter. All right, and it is 10 centimeters. 10 cm. All right, moving on to the last problems. Addition. 7 plus 3, 10. Carry the 1, bring down the 0. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. All right, I have a subtraction problem. So I notice there's more on the floor. Go next door, borrow 10 more. 5 becomes a 4. 3 becomes a 13. 13 minus 7, I can count up if I need to. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I get 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. Next one, 2 plus 9 is 11. Carry the 1, bring down the 1. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. 101. And our last problem for today, 2 minus 9, there's more on the floor. Go next door, borrow 10 more. 6 becomes a 5. 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. All right. 105B is your homework. Same things as we just did. If you have any questions, let me know.